In this lesson, we're going to take a quick look at right triangles and identify which side is opposite, which side is the adjacent, and which side is the hypotenuse. So typically, we look at triangles and we have our points labeled like A, B, C. In this case, I just drew a little figure, but this could just as easily be like point A. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to label the sides as either opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse from the viewpoint of this little guy, or in our case, point A. All right, so first of all, the hypotenuse we know is always opposite of the right angle. So this side here has to be the hypotenuse. Opposite has to travel clear across the triangle. We've done this before when we talked about like the smallest angles opposite the smallest side, the largest angle opposite the largest side. This would be the opposite side. That leaves this side to be adjacent to this angle. Okay, let's go over here to the guy on the right. Okay, so here's my point of reference here, angle A or that guy. Okay, hypotenuse across from the right angle. The opposite is clear across the triangle here, so this is opposite. This side then has to be adjacent. Let's go down here next. Okay, so here's my angle of reference, either the guy or angle A. Okay, so let's think about the right angle going across the triangle from there. That would be my hypotenuse. This side would be adjacent. Going across the triangle would be opposite. Then the last one, here's my point of reference. My right angle's here. So opposite that is the hypotenuse. The opposite side from my angle of reference here is the opposite. Then that makes this side adjacent. So in this assignment you're going to do, that's literally all we're doing, identifying the opposite side, the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse.